Diesel contamination isn't just a problem, it's a threat to efficiency, safety and costs. Introducing the Diesel Purifying System from Minimac Systems, the ultimate solution to ensure clean, reliable diesel fuel for your operations. Our Diesel Purifying System is designed to remove water, dirt and microbial contaminants from your diesel, safeguarding engine performance and extending equipment life. How does it work? Advanced filtration eliminates solid particles and sludge. Water separation technology removes water content efficiently. Microbial control prevents harmful bacterial growth in stored diesel. Engineered to handle the toughest industrial demands, this system ensures your diesel meets and exceeds quality standards. Who can benefit? Mining operations, reduced downtime and increased machinery lifespan. Construction sites, consistent fuel quality for uninterrupted operations. Marine and logistics, enhanced engine reliability during long hauls. Power generation, stable performance for backup and critical systems. With the Diesel Purifying System, your industry benefits from cost savings on maintenance and repairs, enhanced equipment life, ensuring higher ROI, environmental responsibility by reducing waste and emissions. Take control of your diesel quality and power your operations with confidence. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights and solutions tailored to your industry needs. Visit our website www.minimacsystems.com. Minimac Systems, your partner in reliability and efficiency.